Okay, sentence elements, cases and word order. Which element is in first position in the following sentences? You know that cases are key in German, so let's try and identify them. First sentence, der erste Satz. Der Lehrer gibt dem Schüler gestern in der Schule den Test zurück. The teacher gives the student a test back, and he did it yesterday and at school. If I translated this word by word, it would be a very clumsy English sentence. In German, it's perfectly fine. The same content in a different sentence and word order. Den Test gibt der Lehrer dem Schüler gestern in der Schule zurück. And the third one, dem Schüler gibt der Lehrer gestern in der Schule den Test zurück. So 3 different word orders, 3 different sentences with identical content and grammatically correct. We have a bit more. Gestern gibt der Lehrer dem Schüler in der Schule den Test zurück. Here you notice the green, the first element, is a time element. Yesterday, the teacher returned a test to the student at school. This number 5, der 5. Satz, in der Schule gibt der Lehrer dem Schüler gestern den Test zurück. Here the first position, sentence position, is a time element, a location element, excuse me, at school. So here we have subject, direct object, and indirect object. You already are familiar with the cases for all 3. It's on the right, at the far right, you see the cases. And also, you know which questions to ask to find out, okay, who is the subject in that sentence, which one is the direct or the indirect object. So wer or was, who or what is the answer to who or what gives you the subject. Who does what is that, right? In this case, der Lehrer, the teacher. The direct object, who or what does he return? Den Test, that's the accusative object or direct object. Who is receiving, who gets the benefit of the action of the verb? In this case, a test is being returned. To whom or for whom is something done as the indirect object, and that's in the dative case. In the sentence, that would be dem Schüler. The 2 other elements are time, yesterday, gestern, and where, at school. So basic rules one needs to remember. The conjugated, also called finite verb, is always in second position. It's a second sentence element. It's not necessarily the second word, and I'll explain that later. The infinite verb, which could be an infinitive, it could be past participle, is at the end of a German sentence. So subject, like we said, is often the first element, but other elements, sentence elements, can take its place or can take the first position as well. We already said which ones those are. It's in parentheses. If that is the case, the subject follows the finite verb. So verb and subject in a German sentence basically rotate around each other, or the subject is first, or the verb is first, and then the subject is right next to the verb. They're always next to each other, which is also useful to know.